Hi, my name is Blake Helka, Project Development Manager at Next Generation Manufacturing Canada. I'm excited to share details about NGen's new open AI for Manufacturing Funding Challenge. NGen is an industry-led not-for-profit corporation. As part of Innovation, Science, and Economic Development Canada's Pan-Canadian AI strategy, NGen is launching a $50 million AI for Manufacturing Funding Challenge, AI4M. NGen has a mandate to build world-leading advanced manufacturing capabilities in Canada by enabling the successful development, scale-up, and deployment of advanced technologies in Canadian manufacturing. NGen supports raising awareness about Canadian capabilities, connecting and building collaboration across the ecosystem, strengthening workforce skills and management capabilities, and driving technology adoption. These have been core elements of our operating mandate since our foundation in 2017. The challenge objective is to build advanced manufacturing capacity in Canada by integrating AI innovation in manufacturing. Key goals of this call are focused on commercialization, be business-led and collaborative. The project should promote the introduction, development, and scale-up of solutions involving artificial intelligence as the activities required by manufacturers for successful implementation. Goals of this call also aim to enhance the efficiency, agility, and competitiveness of Canadian manufacturers, thus enabling the development of new commercial opportunities for AI solution providers and manufacturers alike. Goals of this call should also create jobs for a diverse and inclusive workforce skilled in AI applications in manufacturing, and contribute to environmental sustainability, supply chain resilience, and health and safety of Canadians. Key pillars of all NGen projects mean projects should be transformative and should impact manufacturing performance and have the potential to confer a global competitive advantage to the Canadian industry. Projects should be applied and have significant potential for widespread commercialization. Projects should be enduring and provide broader benefits to Canada's advanced manufacturing ecosystem. Projects should be collaborative and involve the participation of multiple industry and ecosystem partners. The AI4M call for projects will support AI-enabled and advanced manufacturing technology development and commercialization in areas such as systems optimization, the development of new advanced manufacturing capabilities, enhanced cybersecurity at the manufacturing process or facility level, rapid prototyping and testing of materials, products, and processes, and lastly, the development of other disruptive AI-enabled manufacturing capabilities and services. To apply for funding or to be considered a supporting partner, the organization must be registered as an NGen member. Registration is free and ensures you're up to date on NGen news. Register at www.ngen.ca/membership. Additionally, funding recipients are incorporated in Canada and be for-profit organizations or not-for-profit organizations that facilitate and fund research and development. The organization's funding should be primarily received from private sector organizations and non-federal crown corporations whose funding is derived from commercial activities. International organizations may also participate in projects, but any project activity undertaken by these organizations will not be eligible for the funding. To speak to project terms, projects should include at least 2 industry partners, 1 manufacturer and 1 AI provider, where at least one is an SME, having less than 500 employees globally. We are targeting projects with a total cost between $2 million and $8 million. Projects over $8 million are welcomed. However, NGen's funding support will be capped towards an $8 million project. NGen will reimburse 35% of the total eligible project costs, and to support the program, there's an admin fee of 3%. Shown here is a high-level view of the application process. After joining as a member, applicants can submit projects for screening. Once screened, applicants will provide responses to 8 questions through the application development phase before final submission for assessment. Successful projects will move through to contracting. The project development team is available to support at any step, and we encourage you to reach out as early as possible. Interested in submitting a project idea? Our portal for submission, Hockey Stick, is now open for registration. We will be holding a virtual collaboration event November 8th. Companies looking for potential consortium members can attend and will be given the opportunity to connect with other companies interested in the challenge. We will also be hosting a project development workshop November 17th, where we'll provide more in-depth information also available through our resource guides, and include instructions that will walk through the hockey stick portal process for submitting an application. Important to note, we will have 2 intakes for this challenge and have shown the dates for each in the table. Speaking to the first intake, companies interested will submit a project for screening by November 23rd. If accepted, applicants will be given to December 7th to submit an initial application. After providing feedback, applicants will have until January 19th, 2023 to submit their final application for assessment. If you are interested about AI4M funding or want to learn more, I encourage you to consult our AI4M Challenge funding page at www.ngen.ca/funding/challenge/AI4M. Don't forget to become a member to stay up to date on the latest news. Register at www.ngen.ca/membership. Lastly, I look forward to meeting interested parties at our Collaboration Day November 8th. Please find a link to the registration page in the video details below. Any questions? Reach out to the NGen project development team at ai@ngen.ca anytime. Have a great day.